Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to turn on nearby sharing in the Windows 11. So to do this operation, click search here and write the settings. So enter the settings by clicking on it. Click on the system, then scroll down and click on the nearby sharing here. And as you see, you have to be signed in, needed to be in nearby sharing. And nearby sharing is off by this option. You can turn it off by my device only, or everyone nearby here buys this option. This is the files when I receive it. So this will be in download mode in my case. You can rename your computer here. And there is all about privacy statement about this nearby sharing. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.